Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change URL in your Moodle account. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the Moodle app. If you already downloaded it, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, you will be prompted to this interface. Here you can enter the Moodle site of your school. Once you enter the URL, you will see the list of schools. You can check the current links and tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the Moodle site of your school. Here you can enter the username and your password to log in. In order to configure or change any URL or name settings, you need to be the manager of this site. So I will log in as a manager. Once you are logged in, you will see this dashboard. Now you need to go to the site settings. So here you can see the 3 lines icon at the top left corner. Tap on it. Now choose site administration. In this page, if you scroll it to the bottom, here you can see site home settings. Tap on it. As you can see, there is no URL option over here. You can only change the site name of this website. If you want to update the URL, you will need to work on Moodle database. You would need to run the search and replace script in the Moodle database. Only then you can update the old URL to the new URL. For now, I don't have any access to the database of this account, so I cannot really change it. And you need to keep in mind that when you are working on the database, it is a direct update via SQL operation. So you cannot just undo that process. So you need to be very careful while doing that. So that's it. That's how you can change URL of your Moodle website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.